Are you tired of struggling to make money with affiliate marketing? Look no further. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 secrets for affiliate marketing success in 2023. Secret number 1, artificial intelligence takeover. In 2023, AI-powered affiliate marketing tools will revolutionize the game. Imagine having an intelligent assistant that can analyze data, predict consumer behavior, and optimize your campaigns on the fly. It's like having your own personal marketing genius working around the clock, but that's not all. Secret number 2, niche domination. Gone are the days of broad targeting. In 2023, successful affiliate marketers will specialize in specific niches, leveraging their expertise to connect with highly engaged audiences. It's all about finding your unique selling proposition and positioning yourself as an authority in your niche. Now, get ready for secret number 3, influencer collaborations. Influencer marketing has been booming, but in 2023, it's going to reach new heights. We're talking about strategic partnerships with influential personalities who genuinely resonate with your target audience. By aligning your brand with the right influencers, you can tap into their loyal fan base and skyrocket your affiliate sales. Hold on tight for secret number 4, video domination. Video content has been ruling the digital landscape, and in 2023, it will continue its reign. Engaging, high-quality videos will become the go-to format for affiliate marketing. Whether it's captivating product reviews, tutorials, or entertaining storytelling, videos will captivate and convert audiences like never before. Last but not least, secret number 5, customer-centric experiences. In 2023, affiliate marketers will go beyond the traditional sales pitch. They will focus on creating personalized and meaningful experiences for their customers. By understanding their pain points, desires, and preferences, you can tailor your marketing campaigns to provide exceptional value and build long-term customer loyalty. And there you have it, folks. The 5 game-changing secrets that will define affiliate marketing in 2023. Get ready to embrace the future, stay ahead of the competition, and unlock incredible success. Remember, these secrets are only the beginning. So keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of affiliate marketing. Until next time, stay curious and keep uncovering those secrets. Finally, if you found this video helpful, click the like button. I'll be publishing more videos to show you how to earn money for free, so click subscribe to get all the updates. Remember, the key to successful leadership today is influence, not authority.